K5, what's up? That's what we looking at. This little knuckle here. We got grease coming all out the boot. It's going to our power steering pump right there. That's gonna have to get replaced. Along with this boot here on the other side. It's part of the little steering knuckles and everything. My inner and outer tie rod in. That need to get done. One of these hubs need to be done. I'll find out which one that is, and I'll get with you on that once I get it plugged in and everything. That's the top ball joint. It's coming down. Need to put another one up in there. Ain't no sense in showing you the bottom because it's getting done too. If you can see it, there you go. It's down there. I'm not sure if you see it or not, but it's getting done. We ain't even gotta discuss it. That's getting done. Also, that stabilizing bar link need to come on out of there. We're gonna do a conversion. We're taking the them air shocks off in the back and putting coils on there. So I'm stockpiling the parts already. Got the lift kits, spacers and shit. Extended struts and shocks and shit. Anything else I come across, I'll let you know. Get all the parts together, get you up here. You give me a price, and then you can get up under here and bust this bitch out. Let me finish changing this oil and shit. Putting these spark plugs in. Alright, I get at you, Playboy 1.